So recently, my best friend just received 2 payments from YouTube which add up to 1 into his bank account. But let me tell you that it was a whole struggle when it comes to the verification and receiving that first payment, because no one has told me that the monetization process has completely changed in 2025. So I had to figure this out myself. So in today's video, I want to walk you through the A to Z new withdrawal process of the YouTube partner program appliance as how it works today. So make sure you watch the video to the end and let's get into it. So once your channel is monetized, your earnings will start adding up. After you hit $10 in YouTube or AdSense account, the first step is to start doing a verification, which is identity and address verification. So right now we got 2 options: verify now, which is the new method, and ID and mail pin verification, the old method. So let's start with the old method. What you're gonna do, you upload a valid government issue photo ID. This could be your passport, driver's license, a national ID card. Make sure your ID shows you are at least 18 years old, very important. Then you enter your address exactly as it appears on your ID. Google will then send a verification pin by mail to that address. Once you receive it, you log in into your AdSense account and enter the pin. After that, your identity and address are verified. But this is so complex than just saying it. Sometimes it can take up to 3 weeks, months without never coming. And that's the reason why Google introduced a faster personal verification method. Here is how it works. So click verify now in AdSense, select your country, upload the front of your ID again. Then complete a face verification using your webcam or phone camera. You just move like this, do this, that's all. And with this new method, there's a 95% chance that your account might be verified in less than 20 minutes, and you don't need mail pin at all. So once you verify, your next step is adding your tax information. So you can do this when setting up your AdSense or after verifying your AdSense. So you need to submit your US tax information, and this is for everyone whether you live in the US or not. So now for step 3, adding your payment method. Once you hit $10, you can add your bank account in AdSense. Okay, go to payment info and add payment method. Here's what you enter, very simple: your full legal name as it appears on your bank account, your bank's name, your routing number and account number. Okay, your SWIFT or BIC code. If you don't know what that means, ask your bank. Okay, they will give you. So double check every detail before sending, because if you make a mistake here, there is no coming back. You just lose everything, I'm telling you. So after doing all that, all you have to do now is to reach $100 to be able to withdraw your money. So let's take an example. You monetize on 1st January. So if you are able to reach $100 before the end of the month, you will receive your money between 21st and 26th of the month. That is it. So that was the very simple and complete 2025 YouTube withdrawal process. So tell me in the comment section how you like this video. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Joshua. Peace out.